Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss watertight integrity and why it is very important to maintain on a ship. Watertight integrity refers to ability of a ship to prevent water from entering its internal compartments. This is achieved through properly sealed structures such as doors, hatches, bulkheads, and valves.
What is watertight integrity? Watertight integrity means that the ship is divided into different sections called watertight compartments. If one part of the ship is damaged and water enters, these compartments help stop the water from spreading to other areas. This system helps the ship remain stable and prevents it from sinking easily.
Importance of watertight integrity. Watertight integrity is very important because 1. It prevents flooding inside the ship. 2. It helps maintain the ship's stability and balance. 3. It protects the crew and passengers. 4. It increases the chance of survival during accident. Without proper integrity, even a small leak can lead to a serious disaster.
How it is maintained? To maintain watertight integrity, the crew must always keep watertight doors closed when not in use. Regularly check and maintain seals and gaskets. Ensure that pipes, valves, and hull openings are secure. Follow proper safety procedure at all times. Neglecting this can cause water to enter and damage the ship.
For example, if a ship hits an object and one compartment is flooded, the watertight bulkheads will contain the water in that area only, allowing the ship to continue floating safely.
In conclusion, watertight integrity is essential for the safety, stability, and survival of a ship. By maintaining it properly, we can prevent accidents and protect lives at sea.
Thank you for listening.
That's all for our presentation.